Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best putters for high handicappers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your short game, we've got options that will fit your needs and budget. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below for more details. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Wilson Harmonized X5 golf putter in the 33-inch size. This is a great option for players who prefer a slightly shorter shaft length. The large mallet head design is ideal for high handicappers, as it promotes stability and forgiveness on off-center hits. The grip is made of synthetic rubber, offering a standard size and a comfortable feel for most players. The Wilson Harmonized X5 stands out for its simple yet effective design. The gray, white, and red color scheme is both modern and easy on the eyes, and the alloy steel construction ensures durability. With a 1-degree loft, this putter is optimized for a smooth roll on the greens. While it doesn't come with the bells and whistles of premium models, it's a reliable choice for beginners and intermediate golfers looking to improve their putting accuracy. Pros include its affordability, high forgiveness, and solid design for the price. However, the limited availability of this model and its basic features might not appeal to advanced players. Overall, it's a solid mid-range option that's perfect for those who want a dependable putter without breaking the bank. Coming in at number 4 is the Mile High Life men's golf putter with a premium grip and aim line. This putter is designed with beginner golfers in mind, offering a value-packed alternative to more expensive brands. The standout feature here is the matte black finish, which reduces glare and provides a clean, professional appearance. The alignment top lines help with aiming, making this an excellent choice for high handicappers who struggle with consistency. The build quality is solid, with a zinc alloy club head and a stainless steel shaft. The anti-slip rubber grip ensures comfort and control, even on humid days. Performance-wise, the soft face absorbs impact well, offering forgiveness on mishits. The putter weighs in at 320 grams to 400 grams, striking a balance between stability and maneuverability. The pros of this putter include its affordable price point, beginner-friendly design, and durable build. On the downside, it may lack the precision and premium feel that experienced golfers might expect. If you're just starting out or looking for an affordable practice putter, the Mile High Life is a great pick. At number 3, we have the PGM Golf Putter, a versatile blade-style putter designed for both men and women. The notched groove design on the club face enhances precision and promotes a stable ball roll, making it a great option for golfers of all skill levels. It's also tournament legal, so you can confidently use it in competitive play. This putter features a durable milled face for optimal contact and a straight tapered shaft for easy alignment. A 34-inch length is ideal for most players, and the balanced weight distribution ensures a smooth and controlled stroke. The rubber grip is non-slip and ergonomic, enhancing user comfort during play. High fault tolerance makes it forgiving on off-center hits, which is a big plus for high handicappers trying to lower their scores. Pros include its versatility, durable construction, and forgiving nature. On the downside, the blade design may require some adjustment for players accustomed to mallet putters. Overall, the PGM Golf Putter is a solid choice for those seeking a reliable, all-around performer. Coming in at number 2 is the Wilson Harmonized X5 Golf Putter, this time in the 34-inch configuration. As the premium option in our lineup, this putter offers a large mallet head that's perfect for high handicappers seeking forgiveness and stability. The design is similar to its 33-inch counterpart, with the same gray, white, and red finish and alloy steel build. However, the extra inch in length provides more flexibility for golfers who prefer a slightly taller stance. The grip is a standard size and made of synthetic rubber, ensuring a comfortable, slip-free experience. This putter is designed to inspire confidence on the greens, thanks to its reliable and consistent performance. While it's the most expensive option in our lineup, the price difference is justified by its overall build quality and the trusted Wilson brand name. Pros include its premium feel, excellent forgiveness and stable design. Cons are minor, with the only drawback being its slightly higher price point. If you're willing to invest a little more for a dependable and performance-driven putter, this one's hard to beat. Finally, at number 1, we have the Orlimar Tangent T1 Mallet putter, the best overall choice for high handicappers. With a price tag of just $49.45, it delivers incredible value without compromising on quality. The high MOI design provides excellent forgiveness, and the plumber's neck hosel ensures proper hand positioning. The soft TPU face insert enhances feel at impact, making every putt smoother and more consistent. The standout feature here is the bi-color sightline, which significantly improves alignment and boosts confidence on the green. At 35 inches, it's a versatile length that suits a wide range of golfers. The included head cover is a nice bonus, adding to the overall value. Build-wise, the alloy steel construction and textured rubber grip ensure durability and comfort. The pros? Exceptional forgiveness, great alignment aids, and unbeatable value for money. The only con is that it may not appeal to golfers looking for a more premium feel. For high handicappers seeking an affordable yet effective putter, the Orlimar Tangent T1 is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in finding the best putter for your game. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on our future reviews. If you have any questions about these products, leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy golfing!